after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and let you beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday. Wish you all the best in life, good health, and happy life. So, thank you, Ma'am, kay usa ka sa pinakabuutan na teacher na mo last pagka-high school, second year. So, napaka-supportive mo, and best English teacher sad ka for me. Masilabtanin sa klase, maalaga sa klase, ug uban pa. Kung naami mga wrong grammar, ikaw ang taga-correct sa amo. And daghan kayo may nakatunan under nimo, Ma'am. So, thank you, Ma'am. We wish you all the best in life and more blessings and birthdays to come.
Hello, Ma'am! Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday!
Thank you sa tanan nga tabang na mo sa ka sa mga rason kung sa mga naabot ron. So, enjoy your day, Ma'am, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ti Daday, happy birthday. Hinaot ng tanan na i-enjoy ang iyong adlaw na kauhan ka. I wish that God will give you more blessings to come, more years to come, and always give you a good health. O sa imong tibukang pamilya. Ako sa ingon thank you so much for the time and the guidance that you given to me. Kung wala siguro dili tungod sa imo o sa imong pamilya ang ato siguro wala ko karon kung asa ko naabot karon. And then wala ko kabalo kung it was a dark moment in my life tong na ako diha. So imagine pangpito na ako kay eskwelahan ng dap-dap, but mauna ang akong diploma na ginadala. So thank you so much. Anyways, niyan ako karon sa States, nakapalit ako gahapon from Romania. So at least natapos na ako diplomat. So once again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and then always be happy. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and let's start burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday. I am so proud to be your student. You are an inspiration to many of us. We love you, Ma'am, and we will always remember all the lessons that you taught us. Wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday. Wishing you all the best, all the luck in life. Thank you, Ma'am, sa inyong pagtudlo ka na mo, kanyato. Thank you sa pagsabot. Thank you sa taas nga pasensya. Diri ka na mo. Taas nga tuig para kanimo, Ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daday. Hinaot pa nga unta mga taga pa ko. Taas pa og kinabuhi. Ug daghang salamat sa imong pagtudlo namo. O hinaot pa unta nga ipadayon pa ang imong pagkamaayo mga pagkamaestra. O di na lang ko to og happy birthday, Ma'am Daday.
Daghang salamat sa mga kaalam nga imong gi-share din hinamo di lang kay sa English nga subject ug sa pagtudlo nimo about sa saktong pronunciation sa mga words, pero especially jud ma'am sa guidance ug sa pagtudlo nimo about sa practical nga kinabuhi. Especially pa sa nagmold sa among pagkatao ug sa mi karon. Daghang salamat.
Hi, Mom Daday. Happy birthday to you. I am wishing you good health always. Please stay healthy, ma'am. Our batch 2005-2006 planned this little surprise for you as our way of saying thank you to you. Thank you for all the things that you had taught us before. Thank you for everything, ma'am. I became now an ESL teacher. It's because I was inspired by you. Because I love the way how you pronounce words. So, you were one of my inspirations of where I am now. Thank you for shaping us to be a better person. Thank you, ma'am. Again, happy birthday and may God bless you always. Have a great day.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blues. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I love you?